Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. You know, this morning I thought I would test a theory that I saw on a video where the NDS could be used as a life preserver. And I was out swimming and I got a cramp. And thank heavens there was a guy right there that could throw me that NDS Quick Drain and really make a difference for me to get back to the dock. Take a look. Hey, that was a lot of fun. You know, I'm really not trying to discredit or knock anybody's videos. I think all the information out there is pretty good. One thing though, NDS Quick Drain, Easy Flow, does not magically float up out of the ground and appear in a puddle in someone's backyard. When you're ready to install your own drainage system, remember Apple Drains has over 600 videos covering all aspects of every drainage problem. You can do this, I promise you can, and we've got live help to help you. We've got your back. Oh, and P.S., don't forget, I have space for 5 RVs for the next tiny house workshop. We're scheduling now for November 2019. Let's build a tiny house and play some music, share some skills. I can't wait to meet all of you. Here's a clip from last year's music night at the Tiny House Workshop. It's really hot out here. Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold her tight. So happy together. If I should call you up, invest a dime, and you say you belong to me and ease my mind. Imagine how the world would be so very fine, so happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies they turn blue for all my life. No matter how they toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for you is me, and me is you. So happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies they turn blue for all my life. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.